Hey guys, so I want to kind of focus with this video on learning how to use alerts. So we're going to have training focus on how to trade the alerts, but this training is focused on how to use the alert. So what is an alert? Basically, in TradingView, you are allowed to do alerts to send via different ways. So if you add alert when you right click on TradingView, you can have it notify the app when you download the app. You can have it show up as a pop up while you're on the screen. You can have it send as an email. You can have it also um, send to your phone if you like, depending on what plan you have. And you can have you can decide what noise you would like. And the other thing that you can decide is how long. So you might want an alert where it just bings once. Then you want another alert where it might bing for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or a minute. It depends on your attention span. And some people like me personally, I'll be not paying attention all the time, so I do 10 seconds just in case I miss it. And then the next thing, and then so I'm going to show you how to use the alerts using with my different indicators. So the only way you can have my indicators are if you go to fx-social.com and you can purchase them individually, or if you're a member of FX Suites, it's like basically what this is you get an automated trading copier. You get our Forex education. We do live education every week, twice a week, and we teach you how to use the indicators. And so you can get the indicators included into this package. But and you can get more information about that. You just go to fx-social.com and then click the tab Suites. So the next thing that you're going to do is, let's say that, for example, you want to, we're going to just go over a couple of different strategies. So let's say that, for me personally, I like to enter the market on an engulfing candlestick. So let's say I'm looking at the Euro USD on the 1 hour. And I want to know, let's say that the market is trending down. And like I said, we'll have more in-depth training on how to trade it later. But let's say I want to, every time there's since it's trending down, for example, I want to look for sales. So I would come here, put your script on here. We're going to look for bearish engulfings. So now every candlestick for one is highlighted white. But what's special about this is you get right click, hit add alerts. You go to conditions, and we go to bearish engulfing conditions. And what you do is you put once per bar close. So what that means is once the bar, you always want to do once per bar close. You want to make the move finish first before you get an alert. So whenever the bar is closed completely and the next bar is created, then you do it. Now, some people might want something a little earlier, so you can do it where you can do it just only once. So it's kind of up to you, but I like to do once the bar actually closes. Now, you hit notify app, show pop up, and what you can do after that is you can choose what sound you want, whatever you want, 30 seconds. You can choose if you want to go to SMS, and then you just name what you want the alert to be called. So since and it stays on here until you take it off, or if you have an expiration date for it. So that's how I say, it's Euro USD 1 hour. So I put 1H to keep it simple. So Euro USD 1H bearish engulfing. Create. Now, anytime a bearish engulfing candlestick happens on the 1 hour chart, it will it will text me and let me know, and I can go on my charts to make my analysis. Now, I'll teach you another one really quickly. We also have another one called the alligator. Anyone knows the William alligator is a really cool indicator. And what mine does is it tells you when you should sell and when you should buy. And so I have an alert system. So let's say I like to trade this on the 4 hour. And let's say, let me take all this other stuff out the way. And let's say that, I want to be alerted every time there's a buy or a sell indicator. Or, let's say you're looking for sales only because the market's going a certain direction. You just go to right click, hit add alerts. Let me delete some of this stuff too. You hit add alerts. You go to conditions. You pick the alligator. And then you pick buy. And say, I want to be, let me know when it's a buy. once bar closes, name it, pick the time, name it. By Williams Alligator. You don't have to call it this. I'll just call it 4-hour buy. Buy alert. You can do whatever you want to say. You have what you want to say, obviously. And then you can hit create. Now, anytime there's a buy entry, it's going to alert me for the 4-hour. And so you choose which ones. Now, you can only have a certain amount of alerts if you're on the free plan. So I suggest you pay for the premium. I mean, the $15 or the $30 a month plan, so you can get more alerts. If you are using TradingView, I definitely would love for you to use my affiliate link so you can get the so I can get credit for referring you. But if you're not, that's also fine. If you want to use my affiliate, just go through if you're watching this from my members lounge, just go to the TradingView training. If you're watching this from from my YouTube, then just click the link in my bio or description. So that's pretty much straightforward, guys. I guess I'll go over one more real quick. There's another strategy I like to use where it's when the 9 and the 50 cross and this crosses. So anytime this crosses, if you notice, the market goes up. When it crosses down, it goes down. And it does it simultaneously with this. So if you notice right here, I have an alert system. It's called, you do just right click, add alert, like you always do. And this one's called the MACD 4C. And it alerts you anytime the MACD and EMA cross at the same time. And of course, you name it whatever you want. So now you got an alert for that. So we got different strategies, and we teach you how to trade those strategies. But as we're teaching you, now we have a system where it alerts you on the trade setup. So now you know how to trade it, but now you can get alerted on the setup versus watching the charts all day. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Definitely take advantage of my link. If you want to buy these individually, you definitely can via FX Social. I'll just show you how to get there. So if you want to purchase them individually, just go to FX indicators. If you want everything, including my copier, you want a lot of education and stuff, then you can visit this instead, and then go ahead and get that. So hopefully this video helped, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Comment alert if you got anything out of this. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet.